boys and girls. Today we're going to do something completely different. We're not going to sing a song. But don't worry, we're still going to have fun. We're going to do something called tongue twisters. Do you know what a tongue twister is? A tongue twister is a group of words or a sentence that's really difficult to say. It's hard to say because your tongue has to do lots and lots of work inside the mouth. It's really good for developing those mouth muscles. That's why we do tongue twisters. And of course they're a lot of fun. Are you ready? Well, come on then. Let's twist those tongues. The first tongue twister we're going to learn is quite simple and a lot of fun, and maybe you know it already. It goes like this. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I like ice cream. Did you get it? Let's say it again. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Now let's say it a little bit faster. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ooh, pretty good. Now let's say it 3 times really fast. Are you ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for... Did you get it? It's a lot of fun, huh? Don't worry if you didn't get it. You just need to practice. I've practiced a lot and I still can't do most of them. Okay, the next tongue twister we're going to learn is called Fuzzy Wuzzy. And it goes like this. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? That's pretty cool, huh? Let's see if we can do it. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? Did you get it? This is quite a long one, so we don't have to do this one 3 times. We just need to say it really quickly and get all the way to the end. Let's have another go. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? Ooh, that was pretty good. Let's go a little bit faster. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy... Do you see? We can do it. We can do it. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had... Oh, man. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy... Fuzzy was... That was crazy. It's good fun, isn't it? Okay, the next tongue twister we're going to do should be fairly simple, you would think, because there are only 2 words. That's right. The first word is mixed, and the second word is biscuits. We have to say mixed biscuits, mixed biscuits, mixed biscuits. Just like that, 3 times. Do you think we can do it? Come on then, let's try. Mixed biscuits, mixed biscuits, mixed biscuits. Oh, that was pretty good. Let's go a little bit faster. Mixed biscuits, mixed biscuits, mixed biscuits. Let's go really fast. Mixed biscuits, mixed biscuits, mixed biscuits, mixed biscuits, mixed biscuits, mixed biscuits, mixed biscuits. Never mind, don't worry if you can't do it. Just keep practicing and remember to have fun. The last tongue twister we're going to do is a very, very famous tongue twister. It's called Peter Piper, and it's very long, so all we need to do is get to the end. My uncle used to do this when I was a little boy, and it used to drive me crazy. I couldn't understand how he could do it. I think it was just practice. Let's have a go, shall we? It goes like this. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Do you think you can do it? It's really long, isn't it? Let's do it one more time, nice and slowly. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck... Oh, man! Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Let's go again. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of Peter Piper picked a pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? That's crazy. Did you get any of them? Don't worry if you didn't. It's just practice. And remember, practice is a lot better when we're having fun. Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. And I'll see you soon. Bye.